And we're back with another banger. Today we are watching Manakuratahi 2025 Whitirea. That's exactly what we're doing right now. Alright, let's get it. I don't like that action. I'm sorry. It just looks so... Sorry. Not sorry. Oh. I like this. I like the Tane actions, the actions that the Tane were doing. I like those. But for the Wahine, I'm not gonna lie. I'm sorry about the choreographer. That was not it. That just was not it. It just looked too ganky. Be for real for yourself, eh? Don't come at me, you know? Give them different actions. Ones that don't look like. Yeah, so ganky actions not my thing. Time for our more tea. I like this. Solo, surely? Slap, slap. I think I'm gonna cook with this one. I think I found out what the problem was. But I'm not wrong. This is just facts, alright? I'm gonna cook. Let me cook. Only a select few are decent at covers. I said it, and I'm not going back on my word. You can see the ones that are really confident, some of them are just uncoordinated. Facts. That's it. Some are. Facts. That's it. And I think that's why certain actions look a little bit ganky. I'm an honest reactor. I'm not gonna give you this fake reaction stuff. And that's why you're sub to me. Alright? Alright. Super fast, eh? I like how simple the actions are so far. I don't think I like it. I'm sorry, I didn't like that. It was too fast for everyone. Some people are lagging behind. I feel like the main purpose of action should be always be catered to something that everyone can do. And if everyone can do it, that's what makes a bracket beautiful, in sync. You know what I mean? Everyone's able to do it. Yo. Oh, that action could look so tough, eh? We're just gonna move straight on. Alright. This is giving me like Pacific vibes. Like Samoa and Tongan, Cook Island. That's just me though. See, some of those actions just don't suit some people. Flat. I'm sorry. A little bit flat. Oh my days. I'm so sorry. I'm pointing it out. So now the part that everyone's gonna hate me for. What did I think about that? I'm gonna be completely honest, I didn't really like it. Whitirea, I'm so sorry. In all honesty, I think that it was the last item that did it for me. Only because, right, the notes that were chosen for that song were not good notes. They were not suited for you guys. It's not the performance fault for not being able to hit a certain note. If your whole ropu can't do it, don't. Just for those people who are creating brackets and stuff, adapt and change to something easier. It's that simple. Don't make them hit a note that will sound good if they can hit it. If they can't, don't force them to, or don't keep it the same. Adapt and change. Some items I did like. I enjoyed the tira and I really enjoyed the motiatia. Those were best suited for their voices. Anyway, that's pretty much the end of the video. One thing I do want to say though, before you head out, we are currently sitting on 680 subscribers right now, which is crazy to me. Please keep up the love and the support, even when I'm hating, bro. That's how I show my love. Right. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it very much, and help us hit that big 1,000 subscribers. Boy. I know we can do it. That's pretty much the end of the video. Until next time. Ciao.